10 Inspiring Quotes to Manifest Abundance and Success in Your Life. In today's fast-paced world, manifesting abundance and success in life is more crucial than ever. By setting clear intentions and harnessing the power of positivity, we can attract prosperity and fulfillment into our lives. Inspirational quotes have the transformative ability to shift our mindset, boost our motivation, and guide us towards our goals. Join us on this journey as we explore 10 inspiring quotes that will empower you to manifest abundance and success, providing valuable insights and motivation along the way. Believe in yourself. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. Self-belief is the cornerstone of achieving abundance and success. When we trust in our abilities and have faith in our potential, we pave the way for greatness. Embrace quotes like these that highlight the power of self-belief, as they serve as reminders of our inner strength and resilience. Take a moment to reflect on your own self-belief and watch how it propels you towards your dreams and aspirations. Gratitude and abundance. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. Anonymous. Gratitude is not just a virtue but a powerful tool for attracting abundance and success into our lives. Quotes like this remind us of the profound link between gratitude and prosperity. When we cultivate a mindset of thankfulness, we open ourselves up to receiving more blessings and opportunities. Embrace the practice of gratitude daily and witness how it transforms your outlook, leading you towards a life filled with abundance and success, persistence and resilience. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. In the pursuit of success, persistence and resilience are key ingredients for overcoming obstacles and achieving our goals. Inspirational quotes like this remind us to stay determined and unwavering in the face of challenges. Resilience not only helps us navigate setbacks but also paves the way for abundance in the long run. Embrace a resilient mindset and watch how it propels you towards success, no matter the circumstances. Visualizing success. The only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment. Tony Robbins. Visualization is a potent tool for manifesting success and abundance in our lives. Quotes like this encourage us to harness the power of our imagination to create a clear vision of our goals. By visualizing our desired outcomes with clarity and conviction, we set the stage for achieving success. Embrace the practice of visualization and watch how it transforms your mindset and propels you towards your dreams with unwavering commitment. Taking action. The future depends on what you do today. Mahatma Gandhi. Taking action is the catalyst that propels our dreams into reality. Inspirational quotes like this remind us of the importance of proactive steps in achieving our goals. By translating our aspirations into tangible actions, we pave the way for success and abundance in our lives. Embrace the power of taking small steps towards your dreams today and witness how each action brings you closer to the future you envision. Embracing change. The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. Alan Watts. Change is inevitable, but how we respond to it can shape our path to success. Quotes like this remind us of the transformative power of embracing change as a catalyst for growth. By welcoming change with an open mind, we open ourselves up to new opportunities and possibilities. Embrace change as a positive force in your life and watch how it propels you towards success and fulfillment. Mindset shift. Your mindset is everything. It shapes your reality and determines your success. Unknown. Cultivating a positive and growth-oriented mindset is key to attracting abundance and success into our lives. Quotes like this serve as reminders of the profound impact our mindset has on our outcomes. By adopting a positive outlook and embracing a growth mindset, we set ourselves up for achieving our goals and realizing our full potential. Embrace the power of mindset shift and watch how it transforms your reality for the better. Overcoming fear. Fear is only as deep as the mind allows. Japanese proverb. Overcoming fear and self-doubt is essential on the journey to success. Quotes like this remind us that fear is often a product of our own thoughts and perceptions. By addressing common fears and doubts head-on, we can build confidence and resilience. Confront your fears with courage, challenge your limiting beliefs, and watch how you emerge stronger and more empowered on your path to achieving success. As we conclude our exploration of inspiring quotes to manifest abundance and success, let's reflect on the key themes of self-belief, gratitude, persistence, and mindset. These quotes have underscored the importance of cultivating a positive outlook, taking action, and embracing change on our journey towards success. We encourage you to internalize these powerful messages, apply them in your daily life, and watch how they transform your reality. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more inspiration on your path to abundance and success. Check the description box for suggested resources.